Hey everyone, today's video is sponsored by AliExpress and they have their double 11. It's going to be where things are up to 90% off site-wide, and they sent me some products to test out. Today I'm going to unbox and kind of show you one of the mechanical keyboards that they sent me. This is from Red Dragon. It's a great brand. I've seen them all over the place, not only on AliExpress, but even places like local stores often have them. So it's a very, very good keyboard. And of course, we love mechanical keyboards. They make great sounds. They feel really nice to type. I'm going to take you through an unboxing. Of course, I'm going to put the link in the description where you can check out the keyboard. You can see how much the sale is for. I'm also going to have my discount code. It says it came to me very, very quickly, a lot faster than I was expecting, nicely packaged. So it's a place you can have a bunch of PC hardware. So that's what I really like. PC peripherals and hardware. Oftentimes it can be expensive. So if you can find a place that sells stuff for like affordable prices and it's pretty good quality, definitely something to look into. So let's take a look at the keyboard. So here we have a really cool mechanical keyboard. It's from Red Dragon and the Vada Pro. It's a wireless full-size keyboard. That's actually very important for a lot of people. First, if you need a full-size keyboard with a number pad, very, very important. Some people need this for calculations or even some games, actually. You can map it so that way you have maximum utility there. So that's the first thing that's extremely good about this keyboard. Second, it's wireless. Usually, it's hard to find wireless full-size keyboards that are mechanical. Only recently have we seen more, and Red Dragon is a fantastic company. They have a lot of good products. I actually always see them for sale more and more now. And as you can see, hot swappable RGB mechanical keyboard. So being a mechanical keyboard, you get that nice tactility. Very, very nice. This is how the box is. Then we flip it over. You can see in the back, it just shows you the USB connection there. As you can see, you can do it wired if you want, or Bluetooth, or 2.4 gigahertz wireless. That's probably going to be the preferred method. But let's say if you want to use this on a PC and Mac, you can put it in that's what I was doing before. You can put it in the Mac setting, do Bluetooth, it'll connect fine. You can just kind of remap if you put it on Mac mode, it'll do the key automatically. You're going to have, not the Mac keys because these are window keys, but they'll function the same. And then you can switch over to window mode. Then you can switch over to Windows mode. And obviously you can use the 2.4 gigahertz there or wired, and showing you how you can customize it and change different things. So here, now that the box is open, you'll get your accessories, your USB dongle. Of course, you're going to get your USB cable, USB-C, of course, to USB-A. And then this is going to have the red switches. As you can see, it says dust-proof red, chroma RGB, the lighting that you'll have on the keyboard itself. And as you can see, full-size keyboard. Now, this is very, very useful as well. You have your you have your media control here. Volume wheel, very nice. Pause, play. Then here, you're going to have these keys that you can map to different things, as well as your function keys. Overall, very nice build quality keyboard. In the back, here is where you can switch it. And it sounds very good, very nice to type on. So this is the Red Dragon Vada Pro, as you can see there. Very nice mechanical keyboard and great price as well. All right, guys, so thank you for checking out the video. Check out below for the links in the description to the product. Remember to check out the